Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to install IR Blaster on Android. So if you have an Android phone that does not have the IR Blaster feature, but you still want to be able to use your Android phone to control other devices like your AC, your TV, your DVD player and so on and so forth, this video will guide you on how to install a software that absolutely works like an IR Blaster for your Android phone. Now, before we proceed, if you do not know what an IR Blaster is, it is basically a hardware feature that allows you to be able to control other devices like your TV, your AC, your DVD player with your Android phone directly from the phone without any third-party application. And usually, the way you know if your phone has an IR Blaster or not is to just look at the top of the phone, and if you see a little hole at the top, then it simply means that your phone actually has an IR Blaster. Over here, I have a sample of another device that has an IR Blaster, and if you look at the top over here, you can see that there is this little hole, but some Android phone manufacturers actually do not include this feature in their mobile phone, and in situations like this, a software is easily the solution for you. Now, there are basically two ways to approach this particular problem and get it solved. First, if the device you want to control is from a specific manufacturer and that particular manufacturer has applications that serves as an IR Blaster for its ecosystem of electronics, then you can simply just install that specific app from that specific manufacturer. Now, I'm going to take my time to mention some of the most popular ones. So if you have an LG AC or an LG TV, in fact, any LG product at all, then you want to head over to the Google Play Store. From the search input at the top, just go ahead and search for the LG Think application. This is basically the application that can help you manage all LG products you have. From your iPhone or Android phone, you can simply just download this one, click on the install button. Now, once the app is downloaded and installed, set up the application, and basically all you have to do is to make sure that both your phone and your LG electronics are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now, once you're signed in, this is basically how it looks like. You can come over to devices and then choose to add your device like your LG refrigerator, your LG AC, your LG TV from over here. Just add any of it and you should be able to control and navigate through that particular electronic using your phone. If you are using a Hisense electronic that is not a Hisense Android or a Hisense Google TV, then you need the Vida application over here. Vida is actually the official application for Hisense TVs particularly, and all you just have to do is to make sure that both your TV or your Hisense electronic and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. You will be required to enter your PIN. Enter the PIN and automatically you should now be able to navigate through your Hisense TV or any Hisense electronic just using this remote control over here. For Samsung, you have to just make sure you download the SmartThings application. Once you download it, you'll be required to log into the application. All of these applications you can actually get from the Google Play Store as well. Now, as you can see from the SmartThings application, there is also the option for you to add devices. So you can click on add devices. You can choose to add your Samsung AC, your Samsung TV, your Samsung refrigerator, literally any Samsung electronic. And because these applications are officially from the original manufacturers, they work absolutely well without any problem. If you have any electronic that runs under the Android operating system like your Google TV and your Android TV, all you just have to do is to make sure you download and install the Google Home app. This actually works for literally any Google electronics, and once you make sure you download and install this application into your phone, I already have mine over here. You should now be able to connect to any Google TV or Android TV and control them using just your phone. Now, specifically, if your TV brand does not have an application that actually serves as an IR Blaster, then you can use one of these popular and well-known applications that also serve as an IR Blaster. For instance, if you go over to the Google Play Store, you can simply just download the Zaza remote control. You can select it from over here. Make sure you download and install it. Now, once you have the application downloaded and installed, this is basically how it looks like. From here, you can choose to pair it with an AC, and then you just have to choose the brand of electronics. So it can be whichever brand you have over here. But then let's just say it is an LG electronic. You just have to go ahead and select LG from over here. Give it a couple of seconds to be able to download all of the remote controls that can possibly work with your TV and then test them out as well. There are also other applications that does exactly the same thing. So from the Google Play Store, you can also try the Mi remote control, and this is also another IR Blaster remote control application that works absolutely well. You can also download this and try to see if it works on your TV as well. And if any of this solution worked out for you, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.